Hey, Tayel. These are words that you need to learn how to read. That word says many. This next word says one. This next word says she. And this next word says then. So, one, she, many, then. You don't know how to you don't need to know how to spell these. You just need to know how to read them. Can you say what that says? How about this one? Let's practice these again. I'm going to write them. You say what they say. Now I'm going to underline them. You read them with me. Many. One. She. Then. One. She. Many. Then. Many. She. Then. One. One. Many. Then. She. Good job, Tayel.